friend Sammie, and I'm so excited to see you today. Do you know who else is excited to see you today? It's our buzzing friend, Zippy. Zippy is here to listen to the story today, just like you. He loves stories. Can you join me in saying, "Hi, Zippy"? Hi, Zippy. Today, we'll be talking about the creation story. Do you like stories?
Yes!
Yeah, I love stories, especially really exciting ones. Can you show me your best excited face? That's awesome! Here's mine. Okay, kids, now that we're both super excited, let's get into the creation story.
In the beginning, there was only God, and He decided to create something very, very special, our world.
On day 1, God said, "Let there be light," and light was created. On day 2, God created the sky. Do you know something that is big, white, and looks like a giant cotton ball in the sky? That's an awesome answer. Yes, it's a cloud. On day 3, God created the land, sea, and plants. He created beautiful flowers like roses. As you can see, Zippy loves roses. He buzzes around them all day long. Can you buzz like Zippy? On day 4, God created the sun to shine in the sky and the moon that glows at night. This reminds me of one of my most favorite bedtime songs. It goes something like, "Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are." On day 5, God created the fish to swim in the sea and the birds that fly in the sky. On day 6, God created huge animals like lions and small animals like worms and all the other animals of different shapes and sizes in between. He also made something super special on that day. Do you know what it is? Can I have a drum roll? That's right. He created the first humans. That was a man named Adam and a woman named Eve. On day 7, God looked at all His creations and said it was great. And then He rested.
God made it all. He made it all. He made the sun, moon, and the stars. He made the land and the big blue sea. Thank God He made you and me. some small. He also made Adam and Eve. God made it all. He made it all. He made the sun, moon, and the stars. He made the land and the big blue sea. Thank God he made you and me.
That was great singing, little heart pals. You did amazing. Just remember, God created everything. That includes me and you. I'll see you next week for